now on the run. His name is Nicholas Dante.
Don't ask me what's wrong with my hubby.
That for 20 years targeted mostly small museums throughout the Northeast, stealing works of art by Jackson Pollock and Andy Warhol, among others, as well as antique guns, precious metals and gems, and priceless sports memorabilia.
Seriously? You're creepy.
That was the idea.
Yeah, well.
No, actually, I'm not okay. My right shoulder.
Well.